Guess I should have videoed before, but this is where the tub was sitting. I do believe it is pretty much rotted. I'm gonna have to find me a way. I guess I'll take all this floor out and then I can get under there and start. It's like that pier right back there needs to be fixed, and I think I've seen another one somewhere, and maybe over this way a little bit to the left. Get under there and jack all this back up and put some new 2x12s or whatever in there and be just as good as new. Drug that tub all the way down through here, and there it is. Anybody want to buy a tub? I guess might be a candidate for scrap iron. I don't know. Might make me a planter out of it. That's what I'll do. I'll plant me some flowers in it. All right. Well, let's see. I got quite a bit of floor and goodness. Quite a job. I guess keeps me out of trouble, keeps me busy. Bye now.